across the room.
You think you can help me start cleaning up these toys? Huh?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year 2020. I can't believe it is 2020. Today I have some cleaning motivation for you, undecorating for Christmas motivation. So if you've started off the new year and you haven't gotten your Christmas decor down, I hope that this gives you some motivation to get it done if you've been putting it off. Or if you just need some motivation to get your house clean for the new year, I hope that I can provide you with that today. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I started in the kitchen because you guys know, if you've been here long enough, I like to start in the kitchen first, just because once I've gotten the kitchen clean, it gives me that motivation that I need to get the rest of the house done. And actually on this day I was not really feeling very motivated to clean, but the disaster around me was just starting to drive me a little bit crazy. We did still have my in-laws in town on this day. Everybody had gone out. My husband had gone out with his dad and they went fishing. And then my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law took my daughter out and they went out to breakfast and to go visit a friend. So I had the house to myself with little man, which proved to make it a little bit difficult, but I got it done and I did as much as I could do. And if you notice that I don't have a pile of dishes to clean, it's because Santa brought this girl a new dishwasher and I am so excited that I've been using it like crazy, and I am just thrilled for that to be one less thing that I have to spend time doing. You know, my saying is work smarter, not harder. So when I run the robot vacuum and I run the dishwasher, those are all things that help me be a little bit more productive and not spend so much time cleaning my house.
Me llega esa duda que siempre estremece. Si valgo algo, ¿quién soy? Si alguien me amara como soy. Me he sentido mal todos estos meses, pero sé que el día vendrá en que la luz me brillará. Quiero solo esa mirada que me asegure que no pasa nada, que todo ha estado bien, que fue un sueño y desperté, pero en mi interior siempre gritaban todas penas que quería.
So now that it's a new year, I'm interested to know what your New Year's resolution is. For myself, I want to be a little bit more healthier than the food choices I made for 2019, and I didn't work out and I didn't get as much sleep as I would have liked. So a lot of things are changing in my household. My children are finally out of my room. Crossing my fingers that it stays that way. They have decided that they can sleep together in my son's room, so they've been doing really well. So I've been getting a lot more sleep already with not having my son in the bed with me, kicking me, and I just want to make better food choices and start working out, not so much because I need to lose weight or anything. I know I don't need to lose weight, but working out helps you feel more energized and just it helps your body feel better. So those are my New Year's resolutions, including being more present with my family. So definitely things that I want to make a priority in the new year. I also want to try to start journaling just for myself. I think that'll be really good for just my thoughts and things that are going through my head, and learning to deal with things better. So I used to journal a lot years ago. I'm talking years ago, and I have a brand new journal that I've had probably for a few months now, and I still haven't opened up to write in it. So I definitely also want to do that in the new year. So here you saw I took everything down from the top of the cabinet and just started wiping everything off. and getting it stored away. Bye-bye Christmas decorations. So after I put all that decor away from the top of the cabinet and cleared off the counters, I did wipe the counters down and wipe the stovetop down, but apparently I lost that footage, so you won't see me doing that, but I did do that before I started wiping down all of the appliances. I will say now that all of the decor is down, the house feels a lot more empty. And I also had moved some furniture around, so I'm still thinking about whether or not I'm going to move my desk back to where the tree was, but I was starting to feel like everything was feeling cluttered and just like it was too much, and then after I took it all down, it felt so empty. So I'm not sure if you've started taking down your decor. Do you feel that same way? Like it looks like you probably moved out of your house? Then I started taking off all of the covers off of the pillows, the throw pillows. The white ones I had bought at Ross, you can remove the covers off of them, so I decided I would take them off to get them cleaned and put away, and I'll keep the pillows out to see if I can find covers that will fit so that I could use the rest of the year. So I thought that was perfect, that way I don't have to put the pillows away and I can just put the covers away and continue to use the pillows throughout the year. I actually did about 3 loads of laundry on this day. I was so far behind on the laundry. I hadn't done any since before Christmas Eve, So definitely needed to catch up on that. And I had my little helper helping me take down all of the ornaments from the bottom of the tree and all of the ribbon. So he had a blast doing that. So that was a big help. And because I am very impatient, I was not feeling like waiting for my husband to get home so that he could take down the tree. I just went ahead and got it done myself, and it wasn't that hard because it's just in 3 pieces. And so it was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, and I'm just not patient when it comes to wanting to get things done. When I want to get it done, I want to get it done now. I don't want to wait until hubby comes home sometimes. And the last thing I needed to do was sweep. I did not get to mop on this day. By the time that I was sweeping, everybody had gotten back home, so I figured I would just go ahead and sweep up the floor at least and get that done. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe it gave you some motivation to get your decor down, and if you have your decor down, maybe it gave you some motivation to just get your house clean for the new year. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you haven't subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. See you in the next one. Take care and Happy New Year.